Prodigy Technovations presents Solder Down DUT Device Under Test Demo. Probe the test points and GND points on the DUT. Identify and verify the probing test points. Solder down the front-end probe tips. Use 4-inch long solder down probe tip cables. Apply hot melt glue on the probe tip cables. Position the probe tip cables close to the probing points on the DUT. The gap between the probe tip solder point and the DUT probing point should be 3-4 mm. Place all the probe tip cables TXL0, TXL1, RXL0, RXL1. Ensure all probe tip cables are placed at equal distances from the DUT test points. Confirm that all 4 probe tip cables are properly positioned on the DUT. Apply hot melt glue to securely fix the probe tip cables on the DUT. The DUT is now ready for soldering between the probe tips and the DUT test points. Apply flux to the GND and probing points to ensure good solder joints. Solder the GND connections for each probe. DUT GND point to probe tip GND. Ensure the GND wire length is as short as possible. Verify that GND connections are soldered for all 4 probe tips. Solder the probing N and P points on the DUT for all 4 lanes. Ensure the wire length is 3/4 mm and kept straight. Ensure equal wire lengths for all 4 lanes. Apply flux on the probe tip N and P points. Solder the N and P connections on the probe tip cable points. Ensure there is no excess solder or cold/dry solder joints. Clean this soldered area using IPA and a soft brush. Clean excess IPA from the DUT using a lint-free cloth. Confirm that the probe tip cables are properly soldered to the DUT test points. Connect the CTLE probe head to the MSMP cables. The solder down setup is now ready for connection to the UFS 4.0 protocol analyzer. For more inquiry, contact Prodigy Technovations, your protocol analysis partner.